What's the meaning of caps? Caps. Caps.
Caps. Caps. The term caps can have several different meanings depending on the context. However, in many cases, it is used as a shorthand for capital letters or uppercase letters. Capital letters are the larger form of letters used at the beginning of sentences and proper nouns. They are also used for emphasis or to highlight important points in text. In computer programming, caps might refer to a function or variable name written in all capital letters for readability. Overall, caps usually refers to the use of uppercase letters in different contexts.